Good morning, students. So in the last class we were discussing chapter 2, ideals of our constitution, from civics part, and we were completed with the chapter. We were only left with this one yellow informative box. So now here we are talking about human rights, okay, and fundamental rights adopted from human rights. So there was this universal declaration on human rights, okay, in which many countries were associated in 1948, right? So many of our fundamental rights जो अभी हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में mentioned है, these rights were influenced from this universal declaration, okay? So here it is mentioned which all rights we have taken from universal declaration and in which article it is given below. So first, in order to understand this declaration, it is important that you understand what are human rights. So human rights basically says, since we all are humans, we all are born free, so we all have certain amount of dignity and respect. So on the very fact कि हम लोग humans हैं, हमारा इस चीज़ को respect करना चाहिए. Everyone should treat every human with respect and with dignity, okay? So this is the basic concept of humans. So we should not discriminate between humans, and we should, since I am human, the other person is also human. So on the very fact, since we are born free और हम humans हैं, हमको हर किसी को respect and dignity देना चाहिए. So now there are various articles which you are supposed to read by yourself. I am discussing here, okay? So it says human rights are the basic rights to which all humans are entitled, okay? That means every human should be given these human rights because they are humans. These rights are considered essential for the maintaining the dignity of humans and protecting them from injustice and cruelty, okay? The constitution of all countries have been influenced by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948. Some of our fundamental rights are influenced by the declaration. Let us read some articles given in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and find out how they have been adopted by our constitution. So these are basically the articles which are written in the declaration. That means this declaration, so it is important that we read this declaration, and from these articles our fundamental rights are influenced, okay? So the first article says all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reasons and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. So this basically says that since we all are humans, we are born free, so that is why we should give respect and dignity to each and everyone. And since we all have reasons, we are not animals, we have reasons to think, we have conscience. Conscience is basically our morals, our moral attitude जो हमें बताता है हमारे लिए सही और गलत क्या है, okay? So we have conscience, we have reasons. So for that reason we should believe in brotherhood, okay? That is your fraternity, and we should treat everyone equally. Second article says everyone is entitled to all rights and freedom set forth in this declaration without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or other states. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made on the basis of political jurisdiction or international status of the country or territory to which a person belongs, whether it is independent, trust, not self-governing, or under any limitation of sovereignty. So the second principle says that these rights mentioned in the declaration should be with each and every individual. These freedom written in the declaration should be given to each and every individual, and we should not discriminate among the people on any basis. So when you all know these concepts of different birth, status, color, language, but what is race? When I am saying race, it basically means like blacks and the whites, when we discriminate between blacks and the whites, so blacks and white are two different races. Okay, so आपको किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करना है, उनके साथ भेदभाव नहीं करना है ऑन एनी ऑफ दीज फैक्टर्स. ऑल्सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ अ पर्सन इज़ फ्रॉम अदर कंट्री और उनकी कंट्री इंडिपेंडेंट है नहीं है, ओके, इट इज़ गवर्न बाय अदर मेंबर्स, any circumstance, we are not supposed to discriminate between people for any reason. Third article says everyone has the right to life, liberty and security of person. Okay, this is also one of our fundamental rights only. Article 4, no one shall be held in slavery or servitude. Slavery and slave trade shall be prohibited in any forms. This is also part of our fundamental rights, which says आप किसी को फोर्सफुली लेबर करने के लिए मजबूर नहीं कर सकते. सर्विट्यूड इज ऑल्सो बेसिकली द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ स्लेवरी. आर्टिकल 7 says, yes, only few limited articles are written, very important articles are written here. All are equal before law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. So here we are basically talking about rule of law, that anybody who is doing an offensive task, criminal task, so they are equal in front of law, they will get equal punishment for that. And also when your rights are violated, everyone will get equal protection from the law. Article 8 says everyone has the right to an effective remedy of the component national tribunals for act violating the fundamental rights granted to them by the constitution or by law. So it also basically means that whenever your fundamental rights are violated, you will get protection, and from whom? Your own country, the constitution that is made for you will give you protection, that is through the whole system of judiciary, courts. So article 11 says everyone charged with a penal offence has the right to be presumed innocent until proved guilty according to the laws in a public trial at which she or he has had all the guarantees necessary for his or her or his defense. Now this says whenever a person is arrested, okay, or whenever any charge is there, like आपके ऊपर कोई आरोप लगता है that आपने चोरी करा है, रॉबरी किया है, तो जब तक आपका केस फाइनल नहीं हो जाता, until you are not proved guilty, तो आप उसे कल्प्रिट नहीं बोल सकते. जब तक आपका चार्ज, जो भी आपके ऊपर चार्ज लगा होता है, आप उसके लिए प्रूफ नहीं हो जाते हो, सो नो वन कैन बी कॉल्ड गिल्टी. Everyone has the right to freedom of movement and residence within the borders of each state. Okay, like for example in India, everyone can move within India and they can stay there and they can have their occupation there. Article 19 says everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression, which is also our fundamental rights. Article 21 says everyone has the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association. Okay, this is also part of your right to freedom. Article 23(2) says everyone without any discrimination has the right to equal pay for equal work. Okay, also this talks about that if for example any group of individual are doing same work, तो आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते दो individual को ज़्यादा पैसे दो और दो को कम पैसे दो. No, if they are doing same amount of work, so all individuals will be given same payment for that. Okay, same wages or salary for that. No discrimination should be done. Article 26(1) says everyone has the right to education. 27(1) says everyone has the right to freely participate in the cultural life of the community, to enjoy the art and to share the scientific advancement and its benefit. So any individual, if they are having any kind of cultural or traditional event, they can enjoy it, उस पर कोई रोक नहीं होगी. Or if there is any kind of scientific advancement, so they are free to be part of it. Now since our chapter is completed, so we will move towards the question and answers.